Hello and welcome. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this will be the first of many small tips and tricks in my board game journey. Today I will do two parts about some InDesign style tricks that helps me when making cards. Let's dive into it. What you see here is a card from Moog. It's an idea card, and what I want to show you is how to get this italic text on a word. If I type, let's say, /I, then equals, and then the word is in italic. But you're also wondering maybe like, oh, why should I do it when I can have a style, like a character style called italic, and then you can just click that on to the word you want to make italic. The main reason is because I really like to create data sets in Google, so it's easy to edit, and then generates the card from this data in InDesign. So that's the first thing I want to show you, how to create this. So you can import a CSV, and then the highlighted words are made in italic. The second thing I want to show is how to add icons to your text. This is also really essential in gaming, that you have the ability to add icons in inline and making the readability of the game much easier. Try and do the first part here. What we will do is I will from my empty template here, I will generate a new series of cards. I will go through in the future and show how to set this up, but let's just hit generate, no problems, hit W for removing those guides, margins and so on. So here we have all the cards generated, and now we want to be able to type something like this, and then successful should be in italic. What you want to do is you want to set up some styles. So right now we don't even have a basic paragraph. We can or even character styles. Let's start with a character style based on the selected text. I will call it main body. Okay. Then we can just as well immediately set up how we want the italic to look. Bold italic. And with it selected, I can just click plus. It should be body italic. Yeah, is that well, okay. So let me just check if it works for the character styles. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just gonna select, oops, no, I'm not gonna, and then say I'll give them add the style main body, and then we need to say plus here, body, so that, and here we see the correct font is selected. All right, so far so good. So how do we achieve this? That we will do with the style. We already got the italic style for that we want to use, So now I'm gonna go into my body paragraph style, double click here, and you go down to GREP style, new GREP style, and these styles, they actually are code, and you can click this add symbol to kind of get some shortcuts to the different codes. \I equal. Whenever we write this setup of letters, then we want, I'm just going to put it in parentheses, then we want any word, and that's \W plus, any word behind this to be changed to this style, body italic. Boom. Okay. Perfect. It worked. It put the successful in italic. But we still have this \I equal. How do we do that? That we'll do by creating a disappearant font. What do I mean by that? I mean, let's say we have a just jump here, and we want jump to disappear. How can we do that? That's tricky. We'll start by saying, okay, main body, duplicate this style, and then we're gonna call it disappear. And what we will do is we will is it even here? Is it even here? No, yes, it's here. Horizontal scale. We cannot say 0, it will not accept it, so let's say 1%. And then we'll go to the character color, which is now this brown. We go up and say none, and click OK. And when I click the new style, it seems like the word disappeared. It is actually still there. It's just very, very small and invisible. Good. Let's remove this frame. Now we want to apply this style to this part of the word. And by that we go back to our main bodies paragraph style that we applied to the group, and we go in and add a new one. We say, what do we say? Yeah, I think we just do it like this. \I equal. Whenever this formation is appearing in the text, just right after each other, then we will remove it. This means that it will still add the first rule of applying italic to the words, to both the \I equal and the word after it, but we'll also add disappear style to the first part. And I click OK. Boom. So back to why this was such a good thing to do is because, as I said, so we have the text jump directly on top of the beast as a successful climb. Then before I export the CSV, I'll just add this this code. Okay, so now success will be in italic. Okay. That was actually the first part of the tutorial. I hope you'll join me in the next one coming up.